Hi everybody, this is Trees. Hope everybody's having a great day today. For this video, I'm going to do a makeup tutorial that's inspired by Universal Studios, not Hollywood, Hollywood and Orlando Halloween Horror Nights, because I know I just accidentally bumped into at least one of the videos from one of those Orlando vloggers. You know, they did, some of them did their experience in the Universal Studios Orlando's premium event, and I have no idea when Universal Studios Hollywood will do their HHN event this year. I'm not going, unfortunately. Maybe next year, I don't know, especially Stranger Things. Next year, gotta be next year. So, but anyways, I'm just gonna enjoy the moment right now, you know, filming this video for you. And I'm gonna do this video had I gone to this year's HHN event in Hollywood. This is how I would do my makeup. So I'm going to copy this look. I look to this look. So far what I did, I used this, I already have my CC cream on, bronzer, highlight, blush, contour bronzer, and the rest of the majority of the makeup is by Male Cosmetics because of their Universal Monsters collection they did this year. So on my lips is the Melt Dracula Drip Lip Gloss. It's really cool. It's like clear, and then there's some red mixed in there together, like blood and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Pretty comfortable on my lips. So I'm gonna get started. Don't want to waste too much time. Gotta go to bed, you know, go to work till early tomorrow morning. Yeah. Okay, having said that, I just put you can use any kind of primer or eye concealer or whatever. I decided to use the Makeup Revolution's eye concealer as my eyeshadow primer. Okay, let's see what's going on here. So to start it all off, I'm gonna use, I take this Essence blending brush right over here. I'm gonna put Disfuncto Cerebri on my that lid is here, crease, sorry. Okay, so okay. Trying to remember. Okay. So the next thing I'm gonna use is this dark green, shimmery dark green color, which is called Perfect. So I'm gonna use it in my outer corner. So I'm gonna dot it like, I'm gonna take a crease brush. I'm gonna dot it like this. Let's sweep it up a little bit like this. Here we go again. So the next one I'm gonna do is this like lime green color, this bright lime green color, and it is called Beware. So I'm going to take this Wet n Wild flat shader brush. So I want to make sure this is all the eyeshadows already completely clean. So I'm going to pat the brush like this, and I'm going to put them on my lid. Okay. Toss it up. So next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some kind of take any eyeliner brush. This is a double-ended one from Stila. I choose to use the very 1935. I'll take 1935. You want your makeup to last long. Put some after putting the eyeshadow on the brush. Any setting spray will do to help set that eyeliner. I'm going to use it on the lower lash line. 3/4 of my lower lash line. Okay. Dang, it makes a difference. This is with no concealer primer. This is with concealer primer. Damn. Okay. And so I'm gonna use that same, trying to figure out which one I should do. I'll use the same thing. I'm just gonna use this. Wipe off my brush onto to this to wipe up all the. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use Team Bright, this shimmery, like brown color. That's what it looks like in the pan. Dang. I'm just gonna pat it like this. And I'm gonna use it in lower inner corner. Blend it with the other eyeshadow. Okay, to make sure to check my work. I would do eye makeup first for any kind of concealer, face makeup, like whatever foundation, CC cream, BB cream, whatever you want. Okay, yeah, not too bad. Okay, and so almost done with the makeup. Unfortunately, sadly, I missed out on Melt's Cosmetics, that red, that Dracula red mascara. So and since I missed out on that one, I got a Colourpop BFF Volumizing mascara, the red mascara, and this is what it is. So I'm gonna do it on this lash. Yeah, it does its job. You look at that, it's so beautiful. Don't look creepy at all. I don't think so. So yeah. But I noticed for me, any of the colored mascaras, they tend to last longer in my lashes than a regular like black brown mascara or something like that. And there you have it. Okay. Until my next video, whenever that is, peace out, bye, and good night.